Sonko Badwam TV Badwam Ahosepe Jumezido na say me gina ha dey dam na me gina ha my brothers and sisters ni nyinara representing the brothers and sisters all over Ghana and say a brother na say a sister za no me gina ha dey zemo izeno e fantido na zoti ye dey mamanda Africa ko fona ase ai me show bebre man bebizi na so no what's my waje mo fama no ho n'enwa yehwe mo sma waje judges so ma judges no ho n'enwa Star Sandy Jerry Justice oh aze chilling bi no ye come dey am to fear me to feed ma mu dey o eziban bibia ko ye papa nti no Africa ko riverfront for nyamisha won bebre 0242 sepede from one number na morobo is amon 0242 and our 624 from when I na say a conference be another party be na pede ye when you be pede as one kese baby kakra mo recommend am watch greens or hono mo nya sem kakra ba ho ye kama pa into no mizibesi ho na anepay me wo papa tintin bi ofia asasa o ebu ne pa ba to hwehwam onye scan na kote no oli discan ya bo hwe ho na ya ka ho asem ofia ha ya settle bibia pepepe now so I wonder na bu ne ya aboni ahwe krom ha dey gina one of the people are say mo hwe ne comedy bia ma butu musrewa na bisa da boy we jim too much menyan na ya na fe menyan it's no before I introduce some guest mas amo no share video si na ya brosisi me ya show the CCR is ehu nyimpa me guest no oye the tallest man in Africa and the most funniest. Lekzy, the coming. Angel. As my dog, our na obini years. May a day na modern in Comos ABA. Man, can almost in years. Many reference. And chair also in your scanting our. Thank you. Like that, good morning. Oh, you know, maybe so because Mary is no. Like you have no option. A minor, and near maybe a year near maybe a money pie is slow. We just can't cry and check owner. Oba, is there just car? Oh, plan no about cry or man, I got some plan. And then the own ton episode, Obeto. I don't name your medipa. Minya, Papa and Sambinia. Maybe say I'm born. I see my name was a cocoa. It's I'm sisi as a pa all for who feeling a woman. Or so that she's a ubotom. Madam fu be yare or yare I call a drugstore so koto no or so when you migrate. Obisa migrate a robot na the second soon to auto post no too. I say at least on no bibi because oh yeah you know say she Lekzy da na there say akwatna ni show as da nim there no ho yesru ye papa and say urban creativity so za say urban creativity am on TC rapping ejuman abana na say na fa nche paluta crowd to mu na rap na egu nche chema rap no oh mama do rap na omo cry omaje rappers of the bebre na jai na me I feel like me be comedy na ye be jimi adidi okay Martin into no chema wo new event however do full in April so that will sum be house then hwe bibi na ye yes say jokes ni good them and any power bebre so raho it's a good them no the ye den I was so oye dwumedi na ni pa be hwe bi humor is actually a whole therapy on its own. So once in a while, you need to create a moment for people to come under one roof and enjoy. And the whole concept of it is to establish a person may start a comedy club or Accra, venue na me babe Jumedi and OG Plus was salam down. Until at least every once in a month, crano. Ope baby abekwa kwa jiweni na benya comedy show from all the big stars. You can go me koye bi otakrade. So we are not trying to put things in place takrade dey so you benya ba ko e be run at least once in a month. Yeah, enough feedback near very good. So we are putting things in place. Akrade so be start say then we'll establish some in other part of the country so that we can unearth new talent because maybe o Sunyani or Cape Coast or nya obeye comedy ni bi but platform or they be ana obefa car bank and they be so cost ni be brainty we want to find a way to take those platforms to all these vantage points so that we can build a bigger industry than what we just have in Accra and Kumasi.
I think there is a very commendable.
Yeah.
Every week he be baby not every day.
Every once. So this way no na efa. Me pay more every week be once in every week be no. There is a sport. Say house me per live band it here. Who will be able to make no. There should be a place we say na there me person me then you can go. You don't wait till maybe National Theatre be na. There should always be bet you be car crazy. When you drink me and say be the ma kalana, you can actually have a good moment and still go home happy.
Wow. Me feel there say if you comedy business na when you do the more point.
Yeah.
No American no nanka we trend be a TV show be every week be and every day be
yes.
Short, and also, even if it's for 20 or 15 minutes be
multimedia no.
It's about Adom TV.
Well, we sa conversation no. You bet me so e dey enkom. Enya bad idea.
Obaya kama papa. Lekzy the comic and the kitchen common. It's a full in April.
A full in April. So every month be a day ni team beba. It's some say o match and independence team beba ya wo na say Ghana month. The topics e be treating in abe aligned to Ghana month no. But April full we are saying that a full in April. Until yera May more then we may laugh. Visa, I don't know. I'm just coming. Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Lekzy, too creative. Too creative.
Yeah.
Now, more thing there, is there humor in everything?
Yeah, there is humor in everything, but it depends on who is executing the joke. Because me personally, my decision say there are certain topics I won't treat like rape. You know, say I am too sensitive of a topic for me to touch on. No matter how
I try Ghana for help, but
no matter how funny the thing is, I don't want to tell that joke. But you will comedian be over to me. I can joke about. I say me see. I am one of those people, but rape is not one of my topics I want to. Yeah. Me, I have a few people who have been through it and they didn't like the experience. I don't think it's been a good experience to even share.
Wow.
But it will be a bit more touch on that topic. You're okay with them. And no many issue with that.
Okay.
Every topic is funny. It'll be from politics, religion. People have touched on a lot of comedy in itself is actually to address sensitive issues in a funny way. It's a program I say. Comedy something about politics. Ideally, politician you can't already a fellow politician can be okay. A comedian bet can obesity, but all coffee or drink joke there is some element of truth in what you said, even though it came out funny. Yeah, and that is the whole idea of comedy. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why it's not for any. If you are unintelligent, you can't be a comedian. Comedy is not for fools. Yeah, stand-up comedy is not for fools.
Wow. On the 26th of April.
26th of next week Friday. Okay. Yeah, OG Plus, our Salam Down. OG Plus, our Salam Down. Okay. Right opposite, at the back of Happy FM. There is this new ultra-modern lounge beer, Omesi. And from my papa, Badwam Ahosepe, papa, and I ubet name drinks, no. Ne onno mo be bia no ohon kwa de ne chile ni different. So many kusia. Be 1 week kra obeda no ruminant. How me puba. No more de. Yeah, e more de pa. Into comedy nso near there so. And it's very, very affordable. 50 cedis. Now you can just 50 Ghana cedis then you can have a
and then you want quotation
like $10. And you want quotation and you manage Obian Ponsa, General Entatia, SDK, Ojo, Ebimukra kan wa men formal edin enkan Jerry Ashun obeba Kojo PJ Obia every other comedy first time you know Obia beba ebe pass it through. And I think so you turn tables and so tables for your 1K table and your big ballers, no. Obo so oji table na ya 7 peche and you 2 gold table 1,000 year silver table, gold table 2,000, diamond 3,000 and platinum and they be determined ne be abegu
table be as the number of people
5 package abego be 5 but nipa 5 are much vortic 5 and at some point no bo be hia mo tianka prefer so be fa platinum and gold
okay matter
so ba wo de wo no we platinum
me platinum yo now, I can't be a platinum, but maybe so quickly about one sick someone. Me care some time back now concerns about bloggers how monetize one content.
Yeah, so well, it's getting now. When you come to the event, we make sure to announce to everybody there. Say extremo recording. Comedy is not like music. Kwame Eugene betimato nyum na ene o china besan tua kwakotie na ene but joke no make on national theater no joke ni nsi yo obi osunyane onte ye ohun o YouTuber me ba sunyane a ontua anhwe sa joke no I need to tour with the joker for a period of time then finally I will decide to put it on my platform na nkofo enya kwan e stream no misuma sanya sika because coming up with jokes is not that easy to ba comedy show say we 50 CDC now what's half a phone now we record now that go to YouTube channel. You paid 50 to make more than what you paid for. Through video now go post it on YouTube. And for you saw my dream papa. Yeah, no. But yes I bet don't worry.
Maybe we chow kakra. But apart from that, is there any challenge so where you want comedy show now? Because it will be difficult. There will be some be able to escape no show us no or reach across the bench.
Well, the other challenges like we don't have corporate sponsor like support a lot, just a few penna in past years, but which the one maybe musical show be now the way they get a lot of sponsors we don't get music show with minyaya and kamba say sanka Adom ye beverage company be na insurance company be and fans say Adom insurance a full in April edition. Okay. Now maybe uncle venue no. Omo tua ho ka ma me, omo de kakran so ashebata so I can sort all these guys. Just say everybody will walk home happy. Sponsors will get value for money. Comedians will get value for the jokes they but yenya sa support no often. Okay. I know one of the biggest but media they make us say you've been of great support in past years. First na enya kra but see there. Your approach to our industry has been very, very incredible. So we can only say fancy door why be the first of your door and just say fancy door and just your door.
The man or
so 50
cents. Full in April on the 26th.
Yeah.
On the 26th. Next week. Location
OG plus. OG plus. Was salon down.
Minimize. Do me a record experience busy.
Oh, of course.
Was not a culture because I'm 24 hours. What would 24 hours straight?
What in Kaswa?
There be. Or the kind of master will be able to more Kaswa. Mini Kaswa.
Kaswa, Uberman.
I just a full constituency.
Why?
I just a full.
Now, why any? We just more police. Baba, you wanted to do so no.
Oh, residential.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Pay me to area one.
Oh, me and too. Penny no.
And I wear guess and one easy for you.
Oh, nah. Me I mean, easy for no. I thought I'm collect because excursion. I will ho. So we do an more control room. Yeah, guys, what's in here? Nti akora maka mete kwashima o se hwehwem ne hu se obewu kwashima o se kwashima ne yesi dum kwashima ne hwe onya se pa o mo se obeti o se wate kwashima fo ti se odum ne na ne refia na ya san so dia na ze mu de mu kra ana we mate ni na o ti ka mu na woni obinya isigi ni binya ntokwa wo de se wunim fa me se sama me fa ma o se oti area be mete kwashima wo se dan untimi nya me hwe odu a also, Kwashima for any Oduna, not the glue.
Lekzy, the comeback, Coach Yama, it was a new event to cry.
Baba, oh, worry, oh, my show.
Baba. Nebu self-funding in I, Baba.
Because I should be doing light.
Martin. Yami should read that and pay. Baba can't, so I had a Baba Mazna, Yakoda, Yaka. Whasam na I'll be also when you comedy when you're in Jehum, I saw you drip a papa and Bomazana.
Okay, by myself. If you're a young comedian and you want to start this whole career from scratch, you can come through then. Yeah, platform.
Okay. Mate. Into no Lekzy the comic and I mean share unkomo hade no awe jembranye ye bia nyame show bebre me de besi hade I mean care the Ghana entrepreneurship week or about do papa from the 29th of April KC the 2nd of May 2024 and the entrepreneurship seminars no or about don't during the week ye share seminars no oboka kodo owo Mikado Conference Center on the 29th to 30th of April. Na hona wobaye exhibition no na azini na on the 2nd of May. Inti na obi a wonyo entrepreneurship ho epe hu nimzi foforo bi mpa arafe na ka kehim epe de ihuniye ni huniye entrepreneurship da wan kasa start wa adwuma no but mozna na fa wonyo ka chredo ewo Mikado Conference Center on the 29th 30th and on 2nd of May, but mozna na kokopemo sepede participator ma fa number into Ghana etum na anyone atwetwe nkomo na information be here no was the amount ebe fresh 05081100755 na ko kakansa ho no Mikado entrepreneurial event na wombo wo entrepreneurship na epede start business na epede start no ho na the mara so na enkasa fabrics and the pay watchum dem mpono pa de epe fabrics papa pamatara za ko wedding mpono yinero ko na de bia epede ye naming ceremony event bia no was they got you into no enkasa oye kase bebre bo mazana kokodu honom se kaftan agbada shirting fabrics and epe kra na wo bi wo honom into no ebi hu enkasa wo akra opposite the Methodist bookshop honum and wa shop number C403 bottom na from one was 0243422591 another 0276709070 wo Facebook and Instagram so be babo nyina ye enkasa fabric wo honum na anyone nzinsa wo do na to fabrics ni bi no fabrics no oye kama papa hade na meza Ahosepe dweze no mizibe seat na make na migina hade ya migina ha my brothers and sisters ni nyina be de besi ha wono so masen ma me ye nya me insho hon bebre da mara so na wa je bre ni me ye yi no na me insho sisi areze macro nya me adoma ye besana ye hia